At Atsap, we are always developing all kinds of different apps. But today, we're here to highlight one app specifically, WE-KONEKT. To better understand what WE-KONEKT does, check out this video from its founder, Jalissa Rosario.
So many times, I wish I had an instant friend to do something with on short notice. There were times when I would want to go out to dinner, but I ended up staying at home because no one was available to go with me. Something as simple as getting a quick cup of coffee was something I wouldn't do because I didn't want to do it alone. So I began to wonder, wouldn't it be great if there was a way that I could see other people in my area that wanted to do the same thing that I wanted to do without having to plan for it in advance? When I'm out of town or traveling, it would be awesome if I could meet with the locals so that they can show me around to all of the cool places or go sightseeing. I thought about it a lot. And so WE-KONEKT was born. With WE-KONEKT, you can coordinate with other people in your area. You can connect with couples or a group. Wouldn't it be awesome if you can just get an outing just spur of the moment with a group of friends? We all need human interaction, especially now after this pandemic. I told my app idea to a pilot friend of mine, and he said, you know, I could really use something like this. A lot of times I just sit in my hotel room between flights because I don't know anyone in the area, and this app would solve that. Yeah. So what's the difference between WE-KONEKT and other people matching apps out there? Well, for one, you don't have to wait 1 to 2 weeks to go and do something fun with someone. It's an instant friend to do an activity, and that's all it has to be. You chat through the app so you don't have to give out any of your personal contact information. There's no pressure, no preconceived expectations, no fuss. Another way that we're different is that we're going to be offering pay-as-you-go subscriptions. With our one-day subscription, if you don't connect with someone within the first 24 hours, you don't have to pay. So you get to choose when you want to do it and for as long as you want to do it.